Hello, Oakland University students. Today we'll be showing you how to register for classes through your MySAIL account. The first thing you'll need to do is access mysail.oakland.edu and log in with your NetID and password. Once you've logged in, you should see a screen similar to this one. At the top of the screen, you should see some boxes with images called cards. Here we've circled the one that says registration and degree planning. To get started, hover your mouse over this card. Once you've got your mouse hovered over the card, it should drop down a new menu of registration and degree planning items. You'll see an item that says register classes. We're going to click on that to move forward. You should now see the registration menu through your SAIL account. Before we move forward, please also notice that there's an option to prepare for registration. This is a helpful screen that shows you your registration status or if you have any holds on your account that might prevent registration. For the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to click on the item that says Register for Classes. On the next screen, select the term for which you are trying to register. Once you've selected the correct term, press the Continue button to move forward. The first way to search for classes is by searching by subject and course number. The subject is a 3-letter abbreviation for the classes offered at Oakland University. For example, the subject for communication courses is COM, C-O-M. Begin typing the subject, or if you're not sure of the abbreviation, just type the class type. For example, typing the word communication will bring up the abbreviation for COM. As you type, the subjects will begin to drop down for you to select, so be sure to click on the subject that you wish to search for. Once the subject has been populated, you can enter the course number. The course numbers are 4-digit numbers that are associated with the subject. For example, if you are searching for the class COM 1501, your course number that is entered will be 1501. Once that information is entered in both the subject and course number fields, you can hit the search button to continue. This will then populate a list of all the available sections for the semester you have searched for. For example, we're currently looking at all available sections of COM 1501 for this particular term. Once you've decided which class you want to take, after paying attention to things like meeting times and instructional methods, you can click on the Add button in the far right column to add the course to your summary. Once you've added the class to your summary, you'll notice that the class is not quite added yet. You'll see that the class will show up in your summary quadrant as pending. In order to make sure that you save the changes, hit the Submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. If the change is successful, the summary quadrant will now show green and list the class as registered. If you encounter any error messages when trying to add the course will display a red error message with a text box up top indicating the specific error message that you've encountered. Please visit our website for more information on registration errors and how to address each one. Once you've finished adding your first class, you can press the green Search Again button to return to the main search menu to find another course by subject and course number. You can also add a class to your schedule if you know the CRN or course reference number for the specific class you are looking for. CRNs are unique 5-digit numbers that correspond to each section of a class. If you know this number, you can press the Enter CRNs tab and enter the 5-digit number into the field to add it to your summary and save your changes. If your academic advisor has created a plan for you for which you can register from, click on the Plans tab. For more instructions on how to register specifically from a plan, follow our written instructions on how to register that are posted on our website. Thank you so much for following along on this How to Register tutorial. If you run into any issues or have any questions, please feel free to call Registrar Services at 248-370-3450 for assistance.